Yo, a tropical storm coming out airport. Get it? 48 hours before my flight. I'm a day I go on easy. I go run some errands in a day. First up, I go try see if I can get a haircut and line up on them thing there. And my braces, like the wire from my braces are kind of come down, so I need to fix that up. You see me? I have to glue it up because if I don't glue it up, it's straight, so I got to start walking back up. You know, there's something to go already. What else I have to do today? Yeah, that's pretty much it. And just go over back my packing, pack over my bag and them thing there. Got the movies with Jamaica and idea, and that's basically it. And just keep back. Tomorrow now, I'm not really going away and do nothing. Oh yeah, I got something tomorrow. Jamaica have swimming lesson tomorrow. Just this, so for the most part, I'm going to keep back a yard tomorrow. You see it? And Friday morning, you don't know, we're outside. Yeah, but I go to Jamaica right now and then I get light yet. So, you know that's something they go. Then I get light yet. I'm in school. But I figure out a way how to get it done still, you see me? How I can get it done. I'm in school online, you know that, so. How I go do this now? I buy one thing for the car where I can plug my laptop in, and obviously I'm going to use like the Wi-Fi, the hotspot from my phone to my laptop so that I can be for my Zoom calling, you know? Yeah man, so I get it sorted out. I make a video, a detailed video, like a travel guide for a first time traveler. I'm going to use this traveling opportunity to figure so boom, and record the whole process of acquiring a ticket. You know what I say? And what to expect for the plane, what to expect with border security. All them little things that we need to pack, how to pack. I'm going to give you a compact, full video like that. That video you can watch a video and it can help you to navigate your first time flying, so you don't have to feel that awkwardness, you know. Tag along with me throughout the day. I'm going to just jump out pretty soon. Nobody no wake up yet, just me and Ajari. Just make him some breakfast. Now wait till somebody wake up, then I just jump out. I have to wait till him rise still. That's it. So yeah, speaking of which, I said video that I tell about the travel itinerary. I'm gonna start it right now. So I'm gonna end this, start that, and then pick up back this later on. Let's go. Alright, the first step I need to do right now, I need to go to the bank, get some money out, and then I go to my barber. After my barber, I try to see if I can get a cologne and probably change up some money. Get at least some local money. Drive through me, I go in. Now I go in at the bank this morning. Drive through. Know that me think of it. Does Jamaica have a drive through bank? Me don't know, you know. Me not sure. Yeah. Somebody comment on me know. We have a drive through bank here? I ain't know. Well, if a traffic on the road now, man, you know, bad, but you know, good. I mean, no, say there's going to be a delay. I not try to be negative, but them hours everybody are rush to go work. I have to reach back for 1 o'clock before I'm doing rushing, but hey. Just pull up, you know, so catch you in it, show no how I go on. I barber shop this, you know, all cuts down a Ajax. Yeah? My place, you know. So I come down business hours like that. There with the out of the Harwood Plaza, you know. Same ball on the side, but once a little bit of hair. Like faded here right or so. And kind of leave that tall part. But with the same fade,
Yeah, keep it feel about that so that
so kind of fade out and ball down the rest of the area. I'm barber that reason, so I don't think I get nothing on camera, but just get the ear sorted out and thing. So you don't know the something come down. I got head out and now. What is for my hat? Hat have one little style on it. I got head out and now. I'm going in and probably get some snacks for the airport. Because I'm not buying in an airport, you know. Everything in the airport triple in price more. So yeah, I pull up in a shoppers, get a bad cologne. You know? Hello. Good afternoon. I'm looking. Oh, I'm looking for a specific cologne. I was told it's in this location.
What is
I'm like, oh, that one. Do you have that one in the you call that in the travel size?
Pharmacy.
No.
But you can't travel with this one unless you put it in under.
Yeah, I know. We just secure the bag. I'll get the cologne.
The next day.
So yeah, the out there turned me in a chauffeur as always. I drive to the airport. What time I know? 11:40. 11:45 basically. The flight at 2:45. Yeah. So we kind of 1 hour behind in a sense.
But it's okay.
We're good. Me know the procedure. And this is part of what I'm saying. Make sure you arrive at the airport 3 hours early. Especially if it's the first time and you don't understand. At least 4 hours when it's your first time and you don't understand how to navigate that, you know? But yeah, heading to the airport. Now, at first, I go to the airport and Jamaica come with me. Now, I just me and Alice and I car, you know? Yeah. But you can't drive a second Peter, bro. Oh. So, yeah. When you reach at the airport, you have to take the toll road because the regular highway is jam-packed with traffic right now. And 1 hour behind, you know, late. Yeah, so we're pulling up at the airport right now. Well, how long it take you for reach or so?
Not even, minutes? Yeah, about 30 minutes.
35 minutes. I'll go up on the toll road, you know?
Can't really see well.
Yeah.
So Hot Chef is going for his cart for his luggage. Daddy and his... What is in here? I don't know what he's bringing, but he's bringing a whole bunch of things. So much food on your mouth. Why?
This is why you want to come early. You know what I say? This is why you want to come early because the line well full. But they're in line now. I check in.
Just like that, yeah.
Just now my luggage was about 20 kg over. And it was going to cost me almost $400, right? So I had to take out everything. Here we go. You feel a slight little nudge. We're off the ground. Letter from Jamaica. He write me some whole heap of letters. I said I'm not read these until I reach at Jamaica. So I go respecting wishes. So I must read them when I feel lonely. Judge up. About 2 hours in the flight, that's what it would look like. We have about 20 minutes before we land. What it would look like. We're in the middle of a fog. This is what outside look like, white. If you want to see some of the most beautiful view, take a look at the sky, man. Look at it. Beautiful. Alright, we are touching down. Touching down. Yes, Father God, give thanks. Thank you, Father God.
Okay, everyone, we rich.
Mama said we're rich. Right now, we're inside, and I've never seen the airport this organized or this unorganized. I don't know where the line starts from end, but it's almost 6, 7, 8, 9. It's almost 9 at 8:30, and I don't think I'm coming out of this place until about 10 o'clock tonight. This is crazy. Alright. Get my luggage I'm already still, but we go and watch and see what line I take with them. Alright, so this side on this mountain now. Just touching. How far you carry them go? Can me feel inner sound. Yes, so I have no internet connection, but you know it go. Right, that's so go down to. Manos. That is it. Breeze feel nice, rich. Right, watch out now. A heavy rain out. I wanna say hurricane done. Hurricane not done, man. Yeah, replace. Just one, yeah. Retreat them. Yeah. Retreat them. Right. Light and hot and fly. Ah man, the hurricane not done yet, man. Load cleat. Ease out, easy. Easy. All the light and sitting and chip out. Come like a hurricane, me coming, man. No, sir. Blood cleat. Alright, I have to go lock off the camera because right now, come like it's a tropical storm we just landing now. But people might run. Blows skirt. Shaja youth, the airport are going to. Yo, a tropical storm is coming at the airport today. You have a luggage about this stuff. John, whoa. Hurricane, no? I can't even go pick up my luggage, you. Shaja. Ah, man. A straight hurricane me dropping. I forgot for my luggage. See, there are enough people, so come out of the storm. And see Tyrone there up on the block, see me. Come pick me up in the evening. Supposed to ever come in so late, you know? Eh? Oh, they put up on Kingston sign out there, so. Big sign say Kingston out there, so. Can't show no much, you know, because of darkness, so. When we reach him, I couldn't know where I go on. Pack on my bag, them and them thing there. I mean, I tell you, there's still no light. Tomorrow I have to go do like a full and clean. No light. I see a while ago I reach a Kingston, I want a rain outside me. I tell you, different. So, yeah, this, I'll let you know what's happening in the morning when I wake up. I have to go do some washing. But the washing machine now works, so I know how that I go. Washing machine now work because there hasn't been any light in this house since when? Since Beryl hit. No light because light post tear down on them things, so they don't come fix them all now. So almost a month without light. My brother them have on me drop in. You know, me have school. So I buy one little gadget. I'm showing all of that. Buy one little gadget for use in the car. So that I can get my thing for charge up. I call it a night. Try light up a candle. Go over the bed. Change off my sheet. Hopefully my sheet them no mildew because I see me some jacket in the closet area so. And because of the storm and the place mosquito them and place of a lack of watcher. It's a good jacket, you know. You see that? Mildew. See that? Mildew upon my jacket them, so I forget them a wash. Yeah. Yep. Oopsie. Awesome. Alright, this is dinner.
Yummy.
I can't give you any though. This is protein for adults. Protein shake. Babies can't drink this. But get your drink. Go on for your drink. See your drink right there on the bed? Your drink is right there. Get your drink, I'll come. Yeah. Yummy. Come, let us drink. Go. Cheers. Do this. Touch my drink with your drink. Come. Ella, I catch you drink it, man. after the storm, the place, the wind that them lock up, all if a mosquito tree them blow down and them things, so the wind that them they lock up, make the place kind of moist, you know. My floor feel a little bit musty, man. I figure you don't have to take off the sheet as I say. I go hold a bed and I'm tired. I'm just gonna sleep. Up tomorrow. I have a lot planned for tomorrow. Not a lot, but a good amount. Yummy in my tummy.
What for each?
Drinking. Let's sing the song. Baby finger, baby finger.
Daddy here, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Daddy here, where do you do?
Here I am, how do you do?
Mommy here, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
I have my flashlight to shine. See if I can deal with my bed. Backside, figure out how heavy the mattress will be. Go bathroom now. Brush up my teeth and them things, you see me? I will asleep and in the morning we link up.
Happy life,